So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some Redbubble shops to hopefully help you guys to a point where you are getting sales like this. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand stores. If you haven't already, please do click the subscribe button with the notification bells turned on. That way you won't miss out on any videos. And if you do want any sort of extra information, I do have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. I also have a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. All the info you need is down below. And as for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some Redbubble shops. And if you're someone who has a shop and you want it to be reviewed, the link to submit your shops is down in the description. So make sure to link them over there. Jumping straight into it, we're starting off with this shop here. It is called Rahul USNTX. The banner looks very professional. I like how you can see some of the t-shirt designs there. It also says make custom order, which is something I don't feel like a lot of people do, and it's very helpful in regards of increasing your sales. As let's say if someone wants to buy something custom made, they can easily email you, you can make it fairly quickly, and just like that you can actually boost your sales. So I like that they're doing this. The shop itself has 700, or should I say 676 designs. I don't know where I got 700 from, and from what I can see, I mean, they've got featured collection at the top, more collections just below, and I'm seeing a lot of stickers, t-shirts, and yeah, the designs look fairly professional. I mean, the colors they're using are good. They also have sticker packs mixed in, which is always good to see. Now, I've noticed that they made like a flag-based design. With these kind of designs, I always say try to see if you can find any other keywords you can add in the titles or in the tags in relation to the countries. Making designs for countries can be a little bit of a gray area, but I haven't seen too many people having too many problems with that. I like the fact that, like I said, they've got sticker packs. Sticker packs pretty much give you an edge over other people in your niches, and allow, you know, the customer to actually get more bang for their buck. Going all the way down to the favorites, I can see they've got 339 favorites, which means people are finding their store. I'm pretty sure they've actually gotten a few sales, which is always good to see. And one thing I'll say for this shop is to make sure that they're staying on top of things that are working. Now, I'm very interested to see obviously how they've gone about the titles, keywords, and that sort of thing. I'm going to go in this design, using it as an example, and this has been titled Warning Signs Stickers Pack. Right, okay, so if I scroll down, I can see they've got a nice little description that have keywords that are in relation to obviously the sticker packs, which is always good to see. Scrolling further down, they've used quite a lot of tags. Redbubble usually suggests for you to use, you know, up to 15 tags, but they've got a lot going on in terms of the tags here. The only thing I would say is maybe cut down on the tags. The sticker packs or the designs are related to, from what I saw in the description, motorcycles. So that's something you may need to see if you can edit into the title, just to help you with, you know, getting found by more people. And one thing you guys want to always do when it comes to your titles is to put them in the search to see if anything pops up as trending underneath some of the keywords that you're using. So for example, if I come here and I'm just going to take the motorcycle part, so I'll check to see if there's anything trending. There's firefighter motorcycle. That's something that could potentially be added into the tags as it's currently trending. So that's something you guys want to be doing when you're doing your research, when it comes to obviously uploading and optimizing for search engine optimization. In regards of how many products they have activated, usually we can see the number somewhere around here. I'm not seeing it, so I can't tell exactly how many products this person has activated, but this is something you guys need to stay on top of. Make sure you are activating all of your products, as this is pretty much going to increase your chances of getting your sales. I don't know why it's not showing it for this particular shop, but you should be seeing 96 plus in regards of the products you have activated. On to the next shop. We have this shop right here called Cool Art Geek. The banner is very bright and it nicely matches with the logo, which is always cool to see. A whopping 1082 designs, which is crazy. This person has so many designs, as you guys can see here. They've got a sticker pack featured collection at the top there. Like I mentioned with the previous store, it's always good to see people using sticker packs. There's a lot of stickers from what I can see in the shop, a lot of simple text-based designs. And yeah, this shop, I feel like this is someone who's kind of got the gist of how to use Redbubble. They're scaling designs, they're making more than one color variant or something, which is always good to see. They've got 213 favorites, which means people are finding their stuff. One thing I feel that they probably need to do is to look into niches that are doing well and to see how they can actually implement themselves more into that. So let me quickly explain what I mean by that. So let's say, for example, this I love anime design is doing very, very well. They could look into the anime niche to see if there's anything else they can implement into the shop that could potentially get sales. Like I said, a lot of the designs on the shop looks fairly simple, fairly cool. Sometimes, you know, you don't have to put a crazy amount of effort to come out with things that look good. This is a prime example of that. It's titled Shop Sign, Pink Stop Sign with Funny Quote. Right, I'm not too sure what this is in relation to, but it's something that looks to be bringing in quite a lot of traffic to this person's shop. I'm seeing in the description, we've got perfect gift for a wife, girlfriend who loves shopping, fashion, and funny quotes. You might want to implement some of the things that are also in the title and the description there. Looking at the tags, you got pink shop sign. Right, perfect. I mean, what they've done in regards of the tags, I'll say they've done a good job there. That's something they need to be doing more of as they find more and more trends moving forward. Product wise, they've got 96 products, so they've got everything activated, which is always good to see. I'm actually interested to see if shop sign is something that's been trending, because from what I can see, you know, it looks like it's been doing fairly okay for them. We've got Shoptember there as a keyword that's doing well. I'm not too sure if they've added that in their tags, but if we search it, I can see there's only 117 results here. I mean, this is something that you guys may need to trademark check as well, but I mean, you guys have just got a free niche from this video. You can definitely try jump into this, see what you can do with this. They need to do more of the same, keep doing what they're doing, but look into the niches they've covered already to find different ideas from within those niches. Next up, we have this shop right here. It is called The Long Ways Home. Banner looks fairly cool. I mean, the logo matches up with the banner as well. 211 designs, which is still a lot of designs if you ask me. And they've got a featured collection at the top. Looks more like a back to school type collection, and more collections just below. I'm seeing a lot of t-shirts, stickers. This shop doesn't look like it's implemented sticker packs all that much, and this is something that they can definitely do to help get their numbers up. I'm seeing 117 favorites, which means people are somewhat finding this shop, and also scaled designs there as they've gone from obviously class of 2022 up to class of 2025. These little things in the long run does actually help the person save time if you're trying to make a lot of designs in a short space of time. But you need to bear in mind that the designs that you do go into scale, you want to make sure that they're somewhat getting you traffic or sales before you go ahead and scale them. I like the designs that are as simple as this one that are doing potentially well, and I'm not seeing a white and black version of this design, so they could literally make a second version of this where it's black text on white products. Obviously, if this one's proven to do well, the black on white will also do fairly well moving forward. Regards of the title, they've titled this Human.kind.be both, which is a nice cool message in itself. Added a description featuring the title, which is something that does always help. I'm seeing it's only activated on 64 products, so they're missing out on a chunk of roughly 32 products there, so there's quite a few things that definitely do need to be activated, especially with this design. And in regards of the keywords, I'm seeing, you know, keywords that look to be related. Things like hairstyles, you do not want that in your keywords, as that could potentially lead to your design getting taken down. Trademark checking is important for the design as well as for the keywords you use, because Redbubble pick up trademark not just from the design itself, but from the keywords that you actually use. And if this is a design that's doing well, it can do even better if you make sure that you put in place the adjustments that I have mentioned. But besides that, the shop looks promising, and I feel like it's a shop that can continue to do well if this person stays on top of things. Next up, we've got this shop here called Press Lava Genova. Very cute look to it. Pink banner, pink logo, matches up nicely. 233 designs, so the designs are definitely up there, with the featured collection for Halloween, obviously an upcoming holiday, with some cute product designs in there. More collections just below, and I'm seeing a lot of sticker based designs. These designs look like things that this person has made themselves. I'm liking the use of greetings cards. Once again, I'm not seeing too much use of sticker packs. That's something they can easily do. For example, they've got this here, this here, this here. These three images could be put onto one sticker pack just to add value for the customers that may come across them. Once again, little things like that will help boost sales. I'm seeing like a little sticker pack like this. They need to do more of this with some of their designs that are doing well, and I feel like it will pay off in the long run. Scrolling down, I'm seeing a few little sticker pack related things, but you need to bear in mind sticker packs will mainly work with things that people are looking for quite a lot. So there's 2,546 favorites, so the favorites are there, so people are definitely coming across this shop and finding it. I feel like they need to work more on making sure that they're adding to the niches that they're doing well in. So if there's a particular niche that's designed for, they need to see if there's any other keywords that work well in that niche that they can create designs for. I'm gonna quickly go on to this design here. It looks quite interesting. Been titled Laughing Gas, Helium, Perfect Gift for Chemistry Teacher. In regards of a title, they've done a great job. So many keywords there, and they've also added a little description as well. And I'll definitely put the he same as in the title and the description there. Only activated on 40 products. You want to be making sure that this is activated on everything. Trust me, it just increases your chances of getting those extra sales you may be looking for. In terms of keywords, I mean, they've done a good job in regards of what they've done. They pretty much need to keep up this style. Designs like this tend to do quite well, but once again, they need to make sure that they're activating everything. Then we've got this shop right here called Lulu Soul. Now, I know for a fact this shop hasn't got any sales as of yet. The banner looks fairly cool. I like the artistic feel to it. I would probably put maybe a yellow background behind her on the logo to make it match a little bit more. Nevertheless, I mean, for the things that matter the most, I'm seeing some collections, but no featured collection. So that's something that could definitely be added on. The designs look very cool, very unique, and I feel like this kind of shop will do very well with sticker packs, especially with these sorts of designs up here. I feel like they'll do quite well on sticker packs. I'm seeing some greetings cards, which is pretty cool, and a variation of unique styled designs. Now, there's only 32 favorites, and I feel like that's due to the fact that not enough people are finding this shop. Now, I'm going to go on this design right here and see what we can do in regards of potentially getting more people to find this. So it's been titled Carved Pumpkin Face. If I scroll down, you can see it's activated on 74 products. So that's something that needs to be improved on. You need to make sure that you're activating as many things as possible. So there's some related keywords, but whenever it comes to things like Halloween or pumpkins, stuff like that, you want to see if there's anything trending under those particular keywords, and you can actually add those things in your keywords. We've got pumpkin picking crew, pumpkin vibe. These are things that can easily be added into your tags, or you could try to make designs that are in relation to those things, because that's what people are looking for. Trust me, the more of that you do, the more you increase the traffic that comes to your shop, that comes to your designs, which will lead to the sales that you're looking for. If you're more of a graphic based artist and you like to make cool looking designs similar to the last shop that I spoke about, make sure you are designing for things people are actually looking for. And if you're just someone who's actually interested in what kind of design styles people are interested in, check out this video to see some of the top selling design styles on Redbubble. Comment down more reviews if you made it to this point, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.